Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a consistent time block and a single, clear objective. That gives your diary game structure and purpose. Next, open the app or notebook and build a compact entry template with date, mood, tasks, rewards, and one note field. Once done, schedule a reminder and set a 5-minute timer to force the first entry. This reduces friction and builds momentum. Make sure to keep today's goal tiny. One task, one observation, one reward. It prevents overwhelm and creates immediate success. Once you have entries coming, focus on the habit loop. Cue, action, reward, record the cue and the exact action, then note the immediate reward or feeling. Use tags, colors, or symbols to mark priority and progress, so patterns jump out when you review. Next, perform a short weekly roundup to consolidate learnings and adjust goals. That helps you iterate quickly. Make sure to celebrate small wins in the log. This reinforces repetition and keeps motivation high without adding complexity. To finish each session, write a one-line takeaway and a single next step for tomorrow. That creates forward momentum and reduces decision fatigue. Then back up your diary weekly, export, sync, or copy so your progress is safe. If you reach a block and don't write, simplify immediately. Allow a one-line entry or a quick voice note to capture the moment and restart the loop. One troubleshooting tip: if entries stop, drop everything to a single, non-negotiable 30-second entry habit until rhythm returns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.